Hello everyone, Tajaha. It's me again, Bugs Kitchenette, and today's video we're going to cook stir-fried minced pork potato recipe in China. Of course, yung kailangan nandito is 1/2 kilogram of minced pork, 1 large potato, sliced into cubes. We need bell peppers, green, red, or yellow. We need minced ginger and minced garlic. We need here also light soy sauce, wine, cooking wine, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sugar. We need here also starch in a water for a slurry. In a pan, add some oil. We're going to fry our potatoes until golden brown. If our potato turns into brown, set aside. In the same pan, add a little bit of oil, add a ginger until golden brown, add our minced pork. I used color meat here para hindi siya fatty. Pag once mag-golden brown na yung ating meat, lagyan natin yung 1 teaspoon na cooking wine. Add our garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a little bit of sugar para mag-balance yung taste. Then, i-mix lang natin. After ma-well combine, ilagay natin yung ating potatoes. Add the peppers. And mix it again for another 1 minute. And finally, add the starch to make it slurry a bit. And stir for another 1 minute and it's done. So I add some spring onion on top for the garnish and ready to serve. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.